My goodness, Lord gracious. What seemed to be a very small win for others is actually a big win for me. It is an indication that my regard to the judicial proceedings before the ICC is actually still at par with my expectations. Bakit po? The pre-trial chamber majority 2-1 with one dissent actually decided to grant the first request for deferring the adjudication or deferring rendering judgment with respect to the urgent interim release of PRRD. Ano po bang ibig sabihin yan, mga kababayan? Ibig po sabihin, hindi pa nila i-decide on whether they are going to approve or they're going to deny the urgent interim release. In fact, they are going to defer it in order to give an opportunity for the defense team through the lead counsel, Attorney Kaufman, to better defend the former president with respect po doon sa motion ng urgent interim release. Maganda po yun, mga kababayan, kasi mabibigyan po ng pagkakataon ang defense team to argue further with respect sa mga bagong information na binigay sa kanila ng Office of the Prosecutor. Hindi po ito maliit na bagay, malaking bagay po ito kasi mas mabibigyan po ng opportunity ang ating defense team, ang ating dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, na siya po talaga most likely ay mabigyan ng opportunity for an urgent interim release and for mabigyan ng provisional freedom which should be accorded to all of the accused. Mga kababayan, the former president is an accused, not an convicted criminal. Kaya po ako talaga ay sobrang nasisiyahan sa development na ito. Bakit nga po? Kasi po, ako po ay nananalig sa judicial proceeding before the ICC. And this particular development is an indication, is a very vivid example or representation na talagang ang ICC are only making decisions based on the merit. No external pressure should make them decide whether favorable or otherwise doon po sa accused or to the office of the prosecutor or to the victims with respect to the case before the ICC. Talagang napaka-importante po na talagang bigyan natin ng pansin ang nangyayari kasi importante po talaga na si PRRD ay mabigyan ng fair trial before the ICC. Talagang yun po ay isang indication, it's very indicative of the judicial proceedings before the ICC. Kaya yung mga tao nagagalit na huwag kayong maniwala kasi ganito ganyan, wala akong pakialam sa inyo. Ang paki ko po ay si PRRD. Ang paki ko po ay yung mga taong naniniwala na mapauwi talaga si PRRD sa lalong madaling panahon. Yes po, mga kababayan, you heard it right. Si PRRD po ay nagrantan through the defense team. They were granted with respect to their urgent request to defer judgment doon sa urgent request for interim release na motion nila. Yes, nag-grant po siya sa parteng yan, and that allowing more time for them to submit more evidence, for them to support their arguments. Bakit po ba si PRRD ay dapat bigyan ng interim release? Bakit po ba karapat-dapat na si PRRD ay mabigyan ng provisional release at tumira under house arrest doon sa host country who actually expressed their willingness to host the former president for the time being? This is a good development with respect sa kaso po ng PRRD. This is a very important note that we still have faith in the judicial process. We still have faith in the judges to look into the matter, that what's happening before the ICC, the cases charged before, filed before the ICC is definitely should go to the fair trial. So napakaganda po. However, na-reject po yung defense request to additional procedural action. Sorry.
Whether the letter is here?
I'm not sure actually. There. Yeah, sorry. Sorry. So, yung another request po na procedural action, the second request was actually denied. So, it was because mainly it was unrelated to the main issue. The main issue is, there was a request, urgent request from the defense team. Sinasabi po nila, we were not given this particular information which should be vital in our crafting the motion. Kasi nga, yung Office of the Prosecutor were very much, how do I say that, strong in their statements na hindi kompleto ang pagsumite ng defense team ng kanilang motion to file urgent request for interim release. It is not our problem anymore. The court should decide whether or not complete, how they characterize it or what not. Ang ibig po sabihin noon, nakitaan po ng pre-trial chamber, majority 2 versus 1. What is ang sinabi nila na, hey, by the way, nakitaan namin with respect to the, although the submission is not complete, as for the Office of the Prosecutor, we are going to give leeway to the defense team to submit additional documents, to submit additional necessary arguments to raise before the court para mapakita overwhelmingly na talagang karapat-dapat mabigyan ng interim release si PRRD. This is a win for the Filipino people. This is a win for the Philippines. That meron po tayong laban dito, kaya hindi po ako nawawalan ng pag-asa, mga kababayan. Hindi ako mawawalan ng pag-asa hanggat hindi mapauwi si PRRD sa Pilipinas. This is the beginning. This is the beginning of a positive ripple effects of a positive series of decision that will be favorable to the former president, mga kababayan. So it's very important po talaga na magkaroon pa din po tayo ng paniniwala, magkakaroon pa po tayo ng respeto sa judicial proceedings. Hindi ba ako naririnig? O, tingnan nyo, meron na namang nag-comment na hindi kayo naririnig. So, hindi ako naririnig. Baka sa ano mo yan, ma'am, cellphone mo yan. So, maraming salamat po sa mga nagdadasal. Maraming salamat po sa mga Pilipinong katulad ko na naniniwala na sa PRRD, si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte ay talagang mapapauwi po sa Pilipinas sa mas lalong madaling panahon. Sa totoo lang, mga kababayan, ito talaga ang pinaka-importante nating ilagay sa ating isip na hanggat hindi pa po nakukonvict si PRRD, he is presumed to be innocent. May pinost po ako, it is important sa atin to spread the word, to spread the word, the good news. The good news talaga na si PRRD actually won a motion, an urgent motion. In such a short period of time, they decided and they agreed sa defense team na sinasabi nila, hey, by the way, hindi namin na-defend na maayos si PRRD kasi merong mga delays, merong mga ganito, merong mga ganyan. Dapat bigyan nyo kami ng pagkakataong mas maibigay pa ang aming mga argumento, mas solid pa. Kasi si PRRD dapat mapauwi sa Pilipinas. Dininig po ng korte, ng pre-trial chamber. 1.